What can you do when you have this lifting at the very front but not ready to reinstall everything yet? First step, take a cotton swab, then take some isopropyl alcohol and saturate the swab. Then you just go in and clean the whole area. This is how you will see the residue from the makeup, and you can do this at any time. So I will repeat this as long as I'm having any residue on the cotton swab. At this point you can only clean it and press it down, and that's it. But now I want to just reinforce this lift. This next step is where I'm taking it off. Like I'm taking my whole front off by applying this same swab saturated in alcohol just underside the tape, so I can clean the tape and the skin that was below the tape. So I want those two areas really clean. Then I took this Ghost Bond, but you can use whichever you have available. You can also use Got2b glue for the light hold, and you put this light coat first. Really put the light coat evenly. I put it on the skin that was covered with the hairpiece, and then I will add on the underside, so practically on the tape from the bottom side, and then you let it just dry until it's thick. It shouldn't be wet. And remove if anything kind of got stuck. I got some cotton swab there caught in the lace, so you can take this away. Now once it's dry, go in and press this into your skin firmly. I used some tweezers here, so I don't go in with the fingers, but you can use even like a comb or something similar. Now what I'm doing, I'm putting this like you can use the scarf, just like a band I'm using here, and let it hold for like a few minutes. Then I like to go through with the comb just to release any hairs that are stuck in the glue and to just have it look better. This really helps to disguise any lace. This is just to show you in daylight. It's not as clean as a fresh bond, but it looks really decent to give you a few more extra days. Hope this helps you, because this gives you just a few more days when you're not ready to reinstall the whole thing yet.